In this video, we are unboxing the Michaels exclusive box from Planners Anonymous. It is right here. It is full of beautiful floral planner goodies. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch 2 videos a week about planning and productivity so that you can create a powerful plan. Let's check it out. I was so excited to find this on michaels.com when I was just shopping, and I have been drooling over Planners Anonymous for years. They have a subscription box and you can order individual kits and planners and add-ons and all kinds of beautiful planner goodies. This is an exclusive box just for Michaels. Here's what it looks like. Planners Anonymous by Craftsmith. I have not opened it yet, so I'm super excited to break this open and see what's in it. So this is real similar to what the regular subscription kits are like, and I'm going to have 2 links in the description box, one for this specific box and one for the Planners Anonymous subscription box, and a discount. Okay, the first thing that caught my attention with this box is the colors. These are my colors. I love pink. I love florals. So yes, this was an easy yes for me. This box is $29.99 from Michaels, and their monthly subscription box is about $32 US dollars. Planners Anonymous is from Australia. The first thing is this drink cup, which has a little straw in it. Let's open that up. Let's just check it out. Look how pretty this box is, and the packaging is really good. Oh, look how pretty. Beautiful. So there's your cold drink cup. Then there's this really cute kit with a little story about Sammy Gale, who is the creator of Planners Anonymous. We'll open that in a second. I want to look at this paper first. So I think, pretty sure these are 12 by 12 paper sheets, and they are 2-sided. Let's open them up. So the paper is 2-sided paper. It has prints on the front and the back. So here's floral, and on the back has dots. One sheet of that. Here is a pattern. Let's look at that up close. Has little books, camera, glasses, looks like planner supplies. Really cute. And a plaid pattern on the back. And this is very nice paper. Thick, good quality. Pink florals, beautiful, with a green stripe on the back. Here's a stripe pattern with a floral stripe on the back. Oh, look at these little girls. So little girls, and a plaid green on the back. And then this one is pink with planners. Really cute. Love it. These are magnetic bookmarks. So there's 2 magnetic bookmarks that snap on the top of your pages. One little green floral and one pink. Be lovely and kind. And they have that pattern on both sides. These are die cuts. I love that everything's labeled right there. Really cute die cuts. Let's check these out. And if you haven't used die cuts in your planner, you're going to need this. I like to use my Tombow Mono Permanent Adhesive to stick them onto the pages. So they're white on the back and a little bit of a shiny paper, or cardstock, I guess. A little bit of a shiny cardstock. So there's floral. Coffee. I love coffee. With a gold foil heart, some champagne, rose color with gold foil, a camera in pink. Try to get them all in the screen. Some books, our little girl, more friends, candle, and a vase. Now I might have to zoom back out. Look how pretty that is. It's gold foil. So pretty. One of a kind. Happy Meal. I'll zoom out again in a second. Enjoy every moment with gold foil. Glasses and florals. Next up, clear stickers. Look at these. So these are small. You can see my little fingers, the size. These are like little tiny clear stickers with gold foil. They are adorable. Think, dream, plan. Love. I love this coffee mug too. I cannot wait to use these. Dreams grow here. Choose happy. Enjoy life. Be lovely. And there are 2 sheets of these in this package, both with gold foil on them. Next up, these look like paper stickers. Let's open them. Paper stickers. So boxes and checklists with gold foil and those pretty flowers. Days of the week and some checklists and some banner stickers. More banners that you can write on and some foiled circles there. Box stickers and, well, I think these are all box stickers, yeah. And then some banners there. So pretty. All right, next. I love these colors. This is like so my jam. More banners and box stickers that you can write on. These are so pretty. Foil stickers. These are your functional ones, like a strip, like a washi kind of strip there. Gold foil. Some trackers. Pretty. How many sheets is that? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next up, clear stamps. There are some bows, scissors, florals, a banner, so you'll be able to stamp that and then write in there what you want. Another banner here, like a little hanging banner. I love the sticky note one. Glasses, a little Happy Meal, a lamp, some books, another little envelope, and some decor here, and a vase. I can't wait to try these out. Next up, a notepad with 70 sheets of paper. Let's see what this size compares to. So here's a mini Happy Planner sheet of paper, and here's a classic half sheet. So you can kind of compare the size. It's a little smaller than the classic, but a little bigger than the mini. I like that the lines are that pink color. And last but not least, washi tape. Oh my gosh, right? We love washi tape. Let me grab this paper. Let's put it on this sheet of paper so we can see it on a white background. So it says 4 rolls, 4 washi tape rolls, 3 yards. All right, let me open it. Okay, here are the 4 washi rolls up close. The top one, the coolest thing that I learned about this one is you can cut each of these little squares and make stickers out of this washi. So it's like a whole roll of these little square stickers. Isn't that cool? So I'll peel that one out in a second. And then this is skinny washi in like a purplish pink. This one's a that pretty pink floral, and the background is a light pink also. And this one is like the green with like the planner essentials on it. Let's check them out on paper. a comment down below and tell me what you think about the Planners Anonymous stationery box kit. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, hit that thumbs up button, click the link in the description box to get your free power plan checklist, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye!